Assalamualaikum dear students, I hope you are well. In this video lesson I will teach you how to use the PowerPoint and why we use the PowerPoint. Basically the PowerPoint presentation is used to create a presentation from the scratch or templates. You can add the text, audios, videos, images, each and everything in the PowerPoint presentation. You can select the professional designs with the help of PowerPoint designers, and you can also add the transitions, animation and motion in your presentation. So without wasting your time, let's start it. Here I am going to start it again. When you tap the PowerPoint presentation, basically this is the interface of the PowerPoint presentation. Here you see the three options. The first one is home, the next one is the new, and the last one is the open. If you want to create a new project, just click on the PowerPoint presentations, and here these options are basically same, and here new presentations. And if you want to search the PowerPoint presentation online, just click on here and type any template or theme you want to search. Okay, here I am going to select this one. Okay, when you click on it, it show some descriptions. Just click on the create, and here you see the basically the main interface of the PowerPoint presentation. This is basically the tools and buttons are same as the MS Word, and here on the top this is the called the title bar where you see the title of the projects, and here is the menu bar where you see the different menus. Okay, these are the different menus, and here this is called the ribbon where you see the ton of tools, and here is the basically the working area where you type your text. Now I am going to type any topic. Just click on here and type anything you want to enter. Okay, and with the help of first option, file option, you can print your presentation, you can save your presentation. Just click on it, and here you see the different option. If you want to create a new presentation, just click on the second options. If you want to open any project that already saved in your PC, just click on it and get adding. This option is basically used to add the reference in your presentations. And here information options, if you want to save your project first time, just use this option, and if you want to save your project, use this one options. History options, if you want to print your document, just use this one, and if you want to share your presentations online, use these options. And here is the export options. If you want to change your PowerPoint presentation into the PDF, just click on it, and here again this is the home option where the options basically same as the MS Word. Okay, here's the paste options. If you want to copy any text, and with the help of paste options you can use this one options. Here new slide option, when you click on this triangle, here you see the different new slides options. With the help of this new slide, just click on it, it will appear on your screen. Here is the layout options, whatever you want, just click on it. Okay, and reset option and sections option basically used to organize the slides into the two different sections. Okay, here is the different formatting option. With the help of this option you can change, you can modify your font. For example, here you see the different font options. Just click on it and choose any of these font options. For example, if I want to choose Arial Black, just click on it, and here are the size options. If you want to choose any of size, just click on specific size values. Okay, and here are the two options. If you want to increase your text, use this one option, and if you want to decrease the text size, just use this option. Okay, and here is the bold option. If you want to bold your text, use this one option. Italic options, and here is the underline option if you want to underline your text. And here are the change case option. If you want to capitalize each word, choose this option, uppercase, lowercase, sentence case, whatever you want, just click on according to your need. Here I am going to select the uppercase letters, and here the different bullet option. With the help of bullet option you can and give the bullet point in your text. Here you see when I place the cursor on the specific options, it will appear on your screen. Okay, and here the number list. With the help of this number list you can place, whenever you place on specific options, it will appear on your screen. Look, I think it's fine. And here are the paragraph formatting options, alignment options. Basically, with the help of this option you can justify your text, align your text on the left side, right side, whatever you want. Okay, and here are the spacing option. If you want to keep the space between the line, just use these options. Look, line spacing options, I'll use this one. Okay, and here are the text direction. If you want to place the direction in the horizontal way, vertical way, just use these options. Okay, and these are the different shapes options. If you want to insert any shapes in your text, just click on it, and when you place, drag and drop the shapes in your text, it will appear and other menu options. Here you see the different shapes options. If you want to fill the color, just click on it. If you want to change the color, fill text options, change the size, each and everything is available in this menu options. Here again I click on the home options. Okay, the next one is the insert menu. Here you see the insert menu. The insert menu is same as in the MS Word. Here you see the new slide options. With the help of this option you can insert the new slide in your presentations. In the insert menu, here you see the different options like new slide. If you want to insert the new slide in your presentation, just choose these options. If you want to insert the table, just click on these options. And if you want to insert the tables by a number of rows and columns, just choose these options and type manually the number of rows and columns. Okay, here I'm going to select this one, and here wait, again press on select the tables. Here when you select the table, insert the table in your PowerPoint presentations, the new menu options appear on your screen. That is called the table designs and table layout. In these options you can change the color, you can change the format of your tables. Like if you want to click on this one, any of your requirement, you can choose the tables. And again table layout. Here is the table of layout, where if you want to insert the number of rows and number of columns in your table, just use these options. If you want to split the tables into different sections, use this one. And here is the height and width of all tables. Here's the directions of the text. If you want to change the text into vertical format and horizontal format, just use this one options. Here is the cell margins options, and again we back to the insert menu. Okay, here now I am going to click on the new slides, and in the new slides here is the pictures options. If you want to insert the pictures from this device, use these options. Here I am going to select any pictures, for example this one, and click on the insert. When you insert the pictures in your PowerPoint presentation, here you see the other options related to the pictures format. For example, if you want to choose this format, choose any of this format, just click on it. And here are the remove background options. If you want to remove the background, here are the all options related to the pictures. And here's the crop picture. If you want to increase and decrease the height of the pictures, here you manually type it, and with the help of drag and drop options you can change the size of your pictures. And again I'm going to click on the new slides. Okay, and here's the next options, online pictures. If you connect with the internet and if you want to search the pictures online, just click on these options. And here's the screenshot option. If you want to take the screenshot of your project, just choose this one options. And here's the again picture photo album. And here's the shape options. With the help of these shape options you can draw any shape. You can change the color of your shape. Look, here are the different shapes available over here. You can even manually draw any shape, and you can change the color of your shapes like this. Okay, again I click on the new slides, and one by one paste each and everything on the new slides. And here's the smart art options. With the help of smart art option you can choose smart art graphics in your presentation to make your presentation more stunning. Look, if you want to use this cycles projects diagram, just click on it, and here you see the difference. When you insert the smart art designing presentations, it will again show the new menu options that relate to the smart art designs. Here you can change the color. Here you can change the different styles of the smart art. Here you see the different smart art. Wait, like this. Okay, I think it's perfect. And again I'm going to click on the insert, and here's the chart options. If you want to insert the chart in your presentations, just click on the chart, and here's the chart. If you want to use the pie chart, in bar chart area, whatever you want, just click on it, and whatever you want to draw, just click on it and click on OK button. Here, when you insert the chart in your presentation, you see the Excel sheet appear on your screen where you manually type your data. Here is the different series values. According to your category you can type the values manually. Okay, I'm going to cross this one. Don't need to modify these values. And again here are the link options. If you want to create a hyperlinks in your project, just choose this one options. Okay, here you see the hyperlink options. With the help of this link option you can link your document with the other document. For example, here I'm going to create the hyperlink for chapter 4. Just select it and click on OK button, and with the help of control you can, when you click on it, you can automatically move to the specific document. Okay, here again the next one is the actions. If you want to add the comments in your document, just click on the comments options. Here's the text box options. With the help of text box you can insert any text on any place. And here is the header and footer. I already discussed in the MS Word. Header and footer is basically used to add the title, to insert the dates, time, each and everything. You can use the header and footer. When you click on the header and footer, here the first option is date and time. If you want to add the date and time in your presentation, just choose these options. And if you want to add the slides number, just choose this one option. And the footer, just click on footer and type anything you want to enter. For example, I'm going to write the computer notes. Just apply it and apply to all. I'm going to apply to all options. Here you see computer notes appear on your screen. Okay, and here's the smart art option. With the help of this smart art you can make your text attractive. And here's the time and date options, slides number again. And here if you want to add the equations and symbols in your presentation, just choose this one, options, equations. Again I'm going to click on the new slides, and here I'm going to insert the video in presentations. Here if you want to insert it's online, here again two options available. And if you want to insert online, just click on it. For example, I'm going to select this video, just click on it and drag and drop on the specific area. Here you see the video of this area. Okay, and you can also resize the video, resize the height and width of your video. If you want to crop the video, just use these options. I hope students you understand the first three options: file, home and insert menu options. In the next video I will use other options like transition, how to add the animation, slideshow options. If you want to record your screen, how to use it. So take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.